In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete saved searches in Apollo.io. This is a simple yet important process to keep your search results organized and up to date. We all know that over time, saved searches can accumulate, and deleting those that are no longer necessary can declutter your workspace, making it easier to focus on active tasks. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Apollo's homepage. If you're not already there, you can do this by heading over to appapollo.io and logging into your account. Once logged in, you should be on the home page. From here, the process is actually the same regardless of whether you're working from the Companies tab or the People tab, so you can choose whichever is relevant to you. Next, direct your attention to the section above the search bar. Here, you'll find a list or a drop-down of your saved searches. Selecting this will reveal all the searches you've previously saved. This list is where you'll manage your saved searches, allowing you to keep them up to date with your current needs. Once you have your list displayed, find the specific search that you no longer need. To do this, simply hover your cursor over the search you wish to delete. Notice that as you do this, additional options become available. This hover functionality is intuitive, allowing you to easily interact with the items on your list. Upon hovering over the unwanted search, you'll see three dots appear, usually indicating a menu of options related to that item. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear offering several actions you can take. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Delete. Clicking on this option will prepare your search for removal. But before it's permanently deleted, Apollo.io will prompt you to confirm your decision. This confirmation step is crucial as it prevents accidental deletions, ensuring that you don't lose valuable data unintentionally. Finally, a dialog box will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the selected search. Confirm your choice by clicking OK or Confirm. And with that, the unwanted saved search will be removed from your list, keeping only the searches that you actively use or need in the future. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a saved search in Apollo.io. Keeping your saved searches organized not only helps in managing your data, but also ensures you can quickly access the most relevant information when you need it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.